Okay, this one. Not this one, sorry. Okay, this one. We're gonna group ourselves. There's supposed to be 9 people here, but I think one last student is not here yet. She's a new student lah. Okay, so 305 already, so we will start first without her. What's that thing? There's supposed to be 9 students. I put her name in already, so I will remove her first. Now we become 8 students. Number of groups, then I'll make it as 4 groups. Each group supposed to have 2 students. Rafaela, okay? Okay, supposed to have 2 students. So I will randomly group you all using this thing. Okay, ready? You all take note of your own groups. You are in team 1, team 2, team 3, or team 4. Okay, and then wait, let me prepare paper first because I want to put down the score. Okay, ready? Start. You all look at this side, okay? Whose names fall into which team? Random one, it's not I anyhow. Okay, team 1 is Jiaqi and Sini. Take note, team 1, team 2, Rafaela, Xiangkun. Team 3, Yash. Okay, and Nila. Team 4, Caitlin and Raha. Okay, let me screenshot this for a while. Alamak, hang on. Let me screenshot this so that my memory very bad lah. Actually, no need to screenshot, right? I can just do this, right? Why? Okay, never mind. Leave it here. Okay, so you all know your groups already. We are gonna play a true or false on bamboozle lah. Okay, so the thing is on. Did I show answer? No, right? Okay, thank God. Okay, the thing is on friction, just friction. There's no magnetic force, there's no elastic spring force, there's no gravitational force. Should be easy. Okay, so let's play the free version. Okay, let's have 4 teams. Let's have 16 grids. Power up. Power up, you all want? Let's try. Got fairy also, got thief also. Okay, I don't know where this will. I have not tried with the power ups. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so what you're supposed to do is we're gonna start from team 1 lah. Team 1, who I forgot already. See, Jiaqi and Sini. Any one of you who belongs in team 1, just type in the chat, okay? Remove your name, Rafaela. Okay? Type in the chat which number you want. I will click that and then you will get the questions. And then anyone from that team answer me. The rest of the team keep quiet. Actually, if you want to tell me the answer also can, but I will just look at team 1's answer lah. Okay? Because it's private chat, right? Okay, ready? Team 1, anyone from you? Jiaqi or Sini? Jiaqi already choose 13. Sini, I take the first person's contribution. Okay? 13. Jiaqi, Sini, this is your question. Friction is opposite force against movement. True or false? Jiaqi give answer already. Sini? It's just a true or false. Don't say yes or no. Say true or false. Alamak, this is a true or false question. Okay, Sini? I need Sini's answer. True. Okay, then Jiaqi also say true. Answer is true. Okay, frictional force is a force that acts in the opposite direction of your motion. Okay, the way they write here, like it's like very, very, how to say, very simple kind of language lah. But the way that we actually are supposed to understand and write is a bit longer. I say again, you all listen carefully. Friction is a force that opposes movement. Can already. Friction is a force that opposes movement. Okay? Okay, so you all get 1 point. Correct. Very good. Not 1 point, 15 points. Okay, team 2. Rafaela, Xiangkun, give me one number from here. Rafaela, who and Xiangkun? Rafaela, but Rafaela gave the number first. So now number 6. Okay, here's your question. Every movement of objects have the same friction. True or false? Every movement of objects, all objects that are moving have the same amount of friction. True or false? Who's your partner, Xiangkun? I forgot again. Rafaela, right? Rafaela? Rafaela, your answer, true or false only. I don't accept any other answers. If you give me any other answers, I penalize points from your group. Then poor Xiang Okay, Xiang says false. Rafaela says false also. Let's check the answer. Very good. Okay, those of you who say false, correct lah, because you know that frictional force, okay, those of you who have done friction in school, frictional force is affected by a few factors. Okay, one of them is your what's that thing called? One of them is the weight of the object. Okay, the mass lah, that means lah. Then the other one is actually the, do you know what is the other one that affects friction? Other than the mass of the object, it's the height of surface. Okay, that affects friction. So it depends. So you cannot say every object that moves on any surface have the same friction lah. Okay, very good. Another 15 points. Team 3, Yash and Neela. Anyone? Any number? Take the first one. Okay, Yash says 16. Okay, 16 is here. Okay, this is your power, I guess. Take points from team 1. How many points team 1 has? How many points you want to take from team 1? Hey, you all say you all want power ups, huh? This is what happens, huh? Yes, it's 15. Neela, 5 I see 5 lah. Oh, is your hand covered? 5 Neela wants 5, you know? I take 5 Really Neela? Yes, don't want. Yes, you want 15 Take 15 lah, Neela. Why not? Take off. And give me something lah, people. Yes, says 15 Yes, say three times already 15. Okay, I take 15 points. Who's team 1 by the way? Jachi and Sini. Oh my god, I'm so sorry lah, people. Okay, so team 3 you all skip because you all just steal from team 1 Team 4, Caitlin and Raha. Give me one number. 8. Oh, Caitlin very fast. Okay, 8. Okay, sorry, you got a question. Answer this. We can increase the frictional force by making the smooth surface for the objects. True or false? Caitlin and who's the other one? Caitlin and who? Oh my god. Raha. Keep forgetting. Caitlin and Raha, true or false? We can increase the amount of friction by making the surface smooth for the objects. Okay, Yesh give answer, but Yesh is not team 4 I want team 4, Raha or Caitlin. Anyone? Someone? Wait, where is this team? Raha, what's your answer? Caitlin, where are you, Caitlin? Where's your face? Quick leh, give me true or false next time I find again got time limit one lah. Cannot take too long. I give you all 10 more seconds. Okay, Caitlin give one answer. Jachi asked, can we answer? Can, but then I will only count the group's answer. Okay? Caitlin say false and Raha say true. You all one say false, one say true. Can you come to an agreement? True or false? We can increase friction by making the smooth surface for the objects. Remember what friction do. I give you a hint. Friction is a force that slows down the movement of an object, or it can stop the motion of an object altogether. Okay, so is it true or false? When you make the surface smooth, you are increasing frictional force. Okay, Raha say false. Caitlin also say false. Let's check the answer. Answer is false. It should be the opposite of. It should reduce friction. The smoother the surface type, the lesser the frictional force. Okay, I give you the points. Okay, back to team one. Team one, Jachi and Sini, pick one number. You all better not be unlucky again, okay? Jachi says 7. Okay. Question. Rough and dry surface means less, not friction, friction. Therefore, the object can move faster, more speed. True or false? Okay, Jachi give answer already. Who's the other one? Sini. Sini? Sini. Sini or Sini? Sini, I think, right? Okay, both of you say false. Let's check the answer. Okay, false. Very good. When you have a rough and dry surface, there should be, why they keep misspelling friction? There should be an R, okay? There should be more friction. And then when there's more friction, friction will slow down the movement. So the object will move slower, will have less speed. Okay, here's your 15 points from just now. Okay, team 2, you have Rafaela Siangkun. Number, please. Wow, Rafaela very fast. 333.333. There's no decimal point here, Rafaela. Okay, this one. Ignore the men. Sportsmen need shoes with much friction. True or false? Rafaela and Xiangke. Okay, both of you give answer already very fast. You all say true. Let's check. Good. Why true? Why do these sports people need those kind of shoes that have a lot of friction? So they won't slip, Xiangkun says, when they run. Correct. Because sports people, right, they are jumping here and there, running here and there, maybe on grass, maybe on the court or in the, I don't know where else you all do lah, but somewhere on the surface. So of course, if you are running, got some people ask me before, but sure, if they are running, isn't it that look at what Rafaela, she's always adding things on, Okay, I let people read your answer, okay. Okay, when you are running, if you are a sports person, especially when you are in a competition, don't you want to be the first? That means you want to be the fastest. Then the student argue with me and say that then they don't want a lot of friction because they want to be faster now. But then how you want to control your movement? Let's say you have very little friction between your shoes and the field. Then you run and you cannot stop. Then you're not gonna go, you're not only going to go past the end line, you're gonna go past the school gate and into the canal or wherever. You can't stop. Okay, so you need friction to control your movement, to control your direction. Okay, so okay, let's put away Rafaela. Okay, so this understanding should be here for you. Okay, give you the marks. Okay, so far team 230. Okay, very good. Team 3. Sorry. Oh, now team 3. Alamak. Okay, Yash and Neela. One number, please. Yash, Neela, one number. Yash says 10. Okay. Friction can stop things from moving like a fast running car. I think the way the statement is a bit weird. So basically they say like they can stop the movement of a fast running car, friction. True or false? Okay, Neela give answer, yes. Okay, both give answer already. Let's check. You all say true? Answer is true. This one, don't care whether what context they give you. It can be a running elephant, it can be a running car, it can be anything. As long as that thing is moving, friction have the ability to stop their motion. Okay, it's just whether the frictional force is big enough to do that. Sometimes it's very little friction present, so they can't. Okay, give you the points. Okay, the last team is who? Caitlin and Raha. Caitlin and Raha, one number, please. Caitlin says 2. Okay, your question. Smooth surface means less friction. Less friction means object can move faster. True or false? Okay, Raha give answer already. Okay, Lin, your answer?